Now, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to be Motorhead of the Week, but it doesn't hurt if you are a rocket scientist either. Jeff Fox is an engineer at NASA, and he has been for 39 years. And when he's not working on real rocket ships, well, he's working on his own rocket ship at home. It's a spot-on replica of a 1967 Shelby GT500. Jeff found a genuine 67 fastback in 2001, and he put it on a rotisserie for a complete restoration. And he tells me this car is a project that will never stop evolving. And the power plant has been through a few different iterations since he got the car. At the moment, you can find a 427 under the hood that's making about 720 horsepower. He says the engine bottom end will handle 1,500 horsepower. So stay tuned for more updates, because this guy knows all about power, both in space and on the ground. He is Jeff Fox, our Motorhead of the Week. And if you or someone you know should be Motorhead of the Week, drop us a note. MotorheadGarage.tv, and tell us why. That is also the same website you want to go to if you have a product you want to see here on our show. From our crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, we'll see you next time. So long, and drive safely.